Arnold. I've seen on several forums that people are having difficulty finding the Materials Manager or Materials Definition feature of App Studio on macOS. So this video is going to show you how you can use Materials Definition or Materials Manager when running App Studio in macOS. So this is the main screen, and in order for us to define the materials, we can go to Maintenance, and under Maintenance you'll see the Materials area. Right now I have PLA selected, so I'll hit the drop down button, and then at the very bottom you'll see Customized. When the Customized Material window appears, you'll see all the different materials that are configured for my printer. We have the default from tier time, and you'll see here that there are some that I've added manually. In order for us to add or customize another material, we can click on Edit, and you'll see that well, it says Material Define. So if we'd like to edit an existing material, select it, define the printer, define the nozzle, the layer thickness. I usually use 0.2 for a 0.4 nozzle, and the quality like fine. And this is where you can change all the different parameters. So if you'd like to change the temperature, for example, you can click on the basic temp and you can use the slider, or you can just hit the plus and minus, but I'd like the slider better. Now what's good about the Materials Manager is that for the same filament, I can change the parameter for a 0.2 nozzle, and as you can see, for this filament on a 0.2 nozzle, it works better with a higher temperature at 215. At 0.4, I can bring it down to 210. At 0.6, I leave it at 205. So all of this in red can be changed. Okay, so again, select the filament, select the printer, select the nozzle size, select the layer thickness, and the quality you'd like to print on, and you'll see here that you can change practically everything. Now in order for you to have access to this, you must make sure that you're using 2.65 version of App Studio. Now once you have made changes, don't forget to save. You can also export this for another computer and import it if you desire. Okay, so what if you'd like to create a new filament? You can click plus and it will make a copy of that filament. So for example, if you'd like to create another ABS filament setting, click an existing ABS filament setting, and then it will make a copy like so, and you can edit it. So basically all this PolySmart filament and Renovate filament came from the PLA tier time configuration, and all I had to do is to make the changes for this filament. Like so. Right? Now you can change the name if you'd like to. Put in a manufacturer and you can password protect it if you'd like to. Okay. So there you have it. This is the simple screen where you can specify basic parameters for the filament. But when you select the specific printer, specific nozzle, layer thickness, and quality combination, you can make fine-tuning for the filament that you are creating or that you're editing. Again, don't forget to save it. So I hope, oh, by the way, App Studio is version 2.65, build 610. This is the App Studio version that supports the Materials Manager. Alright, so I hope this video enlightens you on how you can use the Materials Manager or Material Define, as CITOS would call it, using App Studio for Mac OS. Thank you.